Alright, let's go ahead and continue working on the back. As you can see here, I already finished putting the USB ports in using the same technique that I've already shown you a few times, as well as the FireWire port. I went ahead and just used the same exact technique to get that to fit in with the model. I attached everything and then welded the vertices together so that it would just be a unified mesh, very seamless. Okay, so now let's go ahead and in this video let's create the Ethernet port here, and we'll also create this little audio optical port down here. So let's start off with this Ethernet port. I'm going to go to polygon mode, select this polygon here. I'm going to go to quick slice real quick here, and I'm going to make a slice right there. So I've got a polygon here to work with. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this polygon, I'm going to inset it using the options here. I'm going to inset it about this much, looks pretty good. Right there, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to come back to my perspective view. I'm going to hit Shift and E to extrude this, and I'm going to extrude this and push it in just a little bit, something like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to inset that one more time. I'm going to inset that very little. Let me go to my back view here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to inset it about this much, looks good. Again, the image is not perfect. It does have some perspective distortion, so you can't exactly go by the image 100%. Right, so now that I got that done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and get some edges. I'm going to get this top edge and this bottom edge here of the that polygon that I have right there. I'm going to go to connect. And I'm going to go and create one segment and hit OK. And I'm going to take this new edge. I'm going to move it to about right here. Okay, and let me actually show you an image of what I'm doing. If I come over here to my rendering menu and go down to View Image File, I'm going to go over here to Scene Assets, Images. That's why project directories are so great. I'm going to go to this close-up of the back, which is a great image here, where we can actually see the Ethernet port with some detail. So you can see we have to create this sort of step pattern here where it goes up and to the left, and then up again. Okay, so that's basically what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create that little step pattern. What I'll do is I'll come over here, and I'm going to take these two edges. I'm going to connect them, this time with two segments, and hit OK. That creates a new polygon right here. And what I'm going to do is just go to my back view over here. I'm going to scale this polygon up. I'm going to go to something like this. Looks pretty good. Then I'm going to take these two edges. I want to go to edge mode, take those two edges. I'm going to connect those one time, one segment this time, and that actually looks pretty good. So then I'll take these two edges right there, I'll connect that and make two segments right there and hit OK. That gives me this new polygon right here, which I can then scale up and try to get this kind of shape right here. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we've got our step pattern. Let me go back to my perspective view here. I'm going to take these new polygons. See that? Looks kind of like a blocky pyramid type shape if it was flipped on its side. I'm going to hit extrude, Shift E to do that. I'm going to extrude this and pull it in. Something like this looks pretty good. Then just to add a little bit more detail, I'm going to take this polygon right here. I'm going to Shift and E to extrude that as well. I'm going to extrude that to maybe about right here. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go to vertex mode, go to my quad menu and hit target weld. I'm going to target weld that vertex right there and this vertex right there. So I kind of got this angle right here. Okay. I'm going to go to edge mode, select that edge and this edge. I'm going to go to connect. And I'm going to connect this a good amount of times. I'm going to connect this maybe about 18 times and hit OK. Then I'm going to go to polygon mode. I should have all these polygons selected right there. If you don't, go ahead and select them. I'm going to go to Inset. I'm going to inset this stuff, a very small amount. If you hold down the Alt key while you control the slider on the options there for the inset or any other options, you'll have a little bit more control over the slider. Okay, so I'm going to inset about this much. And make sure that the type of inset is set to bipolygon instead of group, and then hit OK. And with those polygons selected, I'm going to go to my quad menu. I'm going to go to the extrude options. I'm going to extrude this into the object like this, just a bit, and hit OK. Then we actually go ahead and say that I'm happy with the Ethernet port. Now let's do the little optical audio port on the bottom over here. So let's come down, and I'm going to take this polygon here, use quick slice. As you can see, I use that quick slice tool a lot. I'm going to take that new polygon that I have right here. I'm probably going to take it and extrude it in just a bit like that. And now I'm going to go to Inset Options, back to my back view. I'm going to inset that a little bit, something like this looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go to Edge Mode and take this edge in the front. And actually that edge looks fine. I'm going to leave it alone where it is. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to take the vertices that are on the edge. I'm going to go to Chamfer, Options. I'm going to increase the amount of chamfer until I get something that looks like this. I'm going to hit OK. I go back to my perspective view. You can see what I have. I'm going to take that polygon, which is shaped just like the audio optical port. If I come over here to my reference image and just going to scroll down there, you can see what I have. It looks very similar to what I have. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to inset this again. But I'm going to inset a very small amount, something like that. Hit OK. I'm going to take two of these little strips of polygons that I've just created. I'm going to come over here to Modify Selection, select the loop. With that loop selected, I'm going to go Shift E to extrude. I'm going to extrude this in. So just pull it in, kind of to make a hole right there. And just to detail this a little bit more, I'm going to take this polygon here. I'm going to inset this another time. So maybe about this much. I'm going to hit the plus to inset it again. About this much. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to take this polygon here, select that one, go back to Modify Selection, select the loop. So I have this entire loop selected. I'm going to hit Shift D to extrude, extrude this out, pull it out but not too much. Something like this looks pretty good. I'm going to go to Edge Mode. I'm going to select this corner edge right there. I'm going to go to Ring, so it selects the entire ring all the way around. Then I'm going to go to my quad menu and I'm going to hit Collapse to collapse that like so and make one edge right there. So I'm going to select this edge here, go to Loop to select that loop of edges. Then I'm going to go to Chamfer. I'm not going to chamfer this too much. I'm going to go something like this looks pretty good. So about 0.1 and change. And the amount of segments looks pretty good, so I'm going to hit OK. And if I render this out, you should have a little bit more interesting of an optical audio output right there. Okay, so I'm finished. So that part's finished right there. I'm going to end this video here, and the next one we still have a lot more detail to work on, so we'll get started on that in the next video.